Got right here 3 most popular survival kits on Amazon. Whenever you search survival kit, this stuff comes up. I think 2 of them like $37, 1 of them is like $26. There is most of them around 30 something dollars, few of them cheaper. So let's see what they're all about. Let's start with the smaller one. Maybe it's the cheapest one. Ooh. So it's perfect to put it into your car, wherever, boat, places that might emergency occur. So right here, an emergency blanket, perfect for the boat in case you're stuck in a cold day. You can pull them out even in just somebody is cold. Oh, nice. Compass, obviously if your boat compass broke down or you have to hike too. Nice. The keychain multi-tool. Boom, with a little flashlight, kind of taking away a lot of light. Wow, batteries included, I like it. Ooh, look at them tiny pliers. Has to lock in first or something. It's kind of useless. Ugh, why is it not opening? How do I supposed to get them from opening? Or make them open? Because whenever I try to pull it in, do they lock in somehow? No. So there you go. Now they work. It just burn you. Cool. And then you have a bunch of knives, tiny screwdrivers on that side. Very cheap seems to be. But again, for just $26 or whatever I paid for, it's nice. Look, a whistle. Lightweight whistle. That's awesome. And they are 5-sticker steel. Those are pretty cheap too. Oh no, not this. I'm not a fan of these things. They used to be so popular. So one of those multi-tools cards. I guess the most important item here is somewhat a knife for this end. Could be useful. And a wire saw. That's one pretty awesome. I have put to the test this stuff a couple of times. Easy to put this thing in? Easy. And you know what's cool? You can just get rid of this stuff and put in even more survival kits in there. So now you have way more space. The only what was cool about this ones, it wasn't shaking as much. But if you fill it up with your own items, you can fill it in quite a bit of stuff because there's a lot of empty space. Okay, this one's around $30 plus. Same thing as you can see, but more items. Emergency blanket. And look, this is also much skinnier compared to this thing. So it's filled with foam, the other one. Okay, much bigger. I was gonna say emergency tool. Nope. Ugh. It's one of those knives. There you go. Wow, this is a good knife. Usually cheap knife don't come out all the way like that. That's a good knife right here. I mean, not like $100 or anything. Rope cutter, nice. Okay. Power cord bracelet with a fire starter, very nice. So there's a fire starter in the middle, strike it like that. And obviously you have the rope compass. I'm not a fan of those tiny compasses. I do not trust them. And whistle. Pretty generic. Okay. Another striker, but much bigger one. This is a really good one for sure. And this side here is for when you start a fire, you grab and blow. So that way it's all concentrated onto the fire and all in one space. So that way it's easier to start a fire. Just don't inhale whenever you do it. Okay. Flashlight, zoomable, looks like no batteries. That's why I always recommend whenever you buy survival kits, always check if there's batteries included. Sometimes they put it to the side so that way they don't go bad or don't break the flashlight. That's what you're supposed to do anyways, because batteries goes bad after a while. Okay, little clip, nice, easy clip right here. For flashlight and things like that. Okay, I would remove everything from plastic anyways. This is cool, look at that. There's a whistle and there's a removable. Wow, I never seen a spork like that before. Or yeah, spork and a knife on the other end with a bottle opener. Very cool. And a whistle as a cover. Nice. Loud. Okay, that's kind of cool. This is a multi-tool. Looks like a little snow. And it's Allen wrenches and screwdrivers. That's nice. Very hefty little piece. Oh no, another one. We already have a knife. What do we need this for? There's a knife on this end. I guess it's another bottle opener. I think this is a little bit overkill. I like the other one. The other tools. Okay. This side here. Signal mirror. I'm not gonna open it up. Wire saw. I thought it was a tactical pen, I was gonna say, but this end is very, very sharp. I was trying to press it. But yeah, it's a pen, and this is window breaker. Don't try to click it like a regular pen. It will poke you. It wasn't that painful. This is ultra loud whistle right here. Very loud. I didn't even try to whistle that hard. Couple of carabiners. Nothing super heavy, not climbing ones, just two organizing ones. Pretty awesome. And again, foams actually not in a way. Let's see how hard it is to put stuff back in. Will it fit? Sometimes you take apart a survival kit, you cannot get it back in. So I think this one will be okay. But the case is so cheap. Oh my gosh, I just realized that. Look how cheap the case is. It's kind of bending and stuff. So if I had to pick the case between two of them, look at that. It's such a cheap case. I'll pick this case all day. You can just tell this is like, I can just squeeze it right here and it's bent. This one is way more durable. Wow, okay. What else we have here? This is the best case, and this one I'm talking about. You see there's pins and everything. This is kind of like a break-in pin. And this one too. And I'm pretty sure these two cost very, very similar. Okay, let's open it. Okay, emergency blanket. Same exact, what do you call it? Power cord, bracelet. Same exact flashlight. Same exact little things right here. Okay. Now I see the different items. The knife is a little bit smaller. I'd say the other knife is better. And to close it, oh, that's a cool closing mechanism right here. You push it and then it closes. And at the same time, this is like a little carabiner. Wow, very unique knife. Okay, that's something different. Wow, very cool compass. We got right here couple screwdrivers for your keys. Okay, we have a survival kit. Flashlight, a tiny one. No, not this thing. Okay. Alcohol pad and band-aid. And another exact same survival pen. I'm not gonna do the same thing, or tactical pen, whatever you wanna call them. And another absorbent pad. Yeah, this one was a little bit easier and faster because it was pretty much similar. I know, I kind of like this one better versus this one, but I like the case better. I just need to be a little bit bigger case. So now I need to stick everything back in. It is a smaller case. Now that I have checked on everything, looks good. Will it all fit easily and quickly? Let's find out. I bet it will. Band-aid. One band-aid. That's funny. Okay. I mean, this is awesome. It fits back easily. This case is the best, but they all kind of cheap cases. Nothing super, super heavy duty. But yeah, there you go. This is what you get in most popular survival kits on Amazon.